Good morning, ladies and gents. This is Dominoes 7 here. For some of you that don't know who I am, well, if you know who I am, I don't have to introduce myself. But if you don't know who I am, I'm introduce myself. This is your boy Dominoes 7 here. Okay. It's a beautiful morning. Look at downtown New Orleans. Cause the other day they had a fire over there at the collapsed Hard Rock Hotel. I don't know if that was intentionally or what. Well, about to go downstairs on the back. All right. What a beautiful morning. All right. I know it's kind of dark out here. Wait a minute. Let me show y'all this. Thank you, Shamika, for giving me this. You know, me and her have the same house, but I put this in the exact spot that she had this in. Yep. All right. All right. Now we're going to the back. All right. And for some reason, it's a teeny pinch bit cold out here. Yes, indeed. You know, and so let me just go walk around a bit, if y'all don't mind me bringing my show around this, that, and other. Okay, I don't want to capture nobody's license plate. All right. Yes, indeed. Look around. Look around, ladies and gentlemen. What a beautiful morning. Yep. Even though it's very early, you know. Yep. It's a free country. You can go walk around if you want in this beautiful morning. It's gonna be sunlight though. Well. Oh, wait a minute. The moon shining. Do y'all see that moon up there? Look at that moon. Is I would say partly moony or mostly moony. All right. Well, yep. It's a tad bit cool out here. I don't mind sitting on my porch, hot or cold, you know. All we could go is brrr together. Brrr together. People next door done moved out, you know, over here. Not over there. Okay. So, yes indeed. Times like this make me very glad. Even though it's in a city I don't want to be in. You know. New Iberia. I would love to come back to the Barry. But I wish they had buses. Look around, yo. I remember they had furnitures and stuff, mattresses and stuff right there. Yep. Yes, indeed. Everything is good around here. At least I don't deal with no drama. Ain't no drama allowed in a Domino 7 castle. You hear me? Your boy Domino 7 love his castle. You hear me? Ain't nobody gonna come to Domino 7's castle being a I don't even know what I want to say about that. All right. And then so today, October the 3rd, 2020. Okay. As I'm making this video, if it eventually upload to YouTube, you know. So if I can get this on YouTube, you know, if it's already on YouTube, then mission accomplished. All right. Probably some other videos I haven't uploaded yet on YouTube, you know. I'm still trying and trying and trying and trying, but too bad I can't be at 5 or 6 or 7 places at once. Yeah, that'll be impossible unless I got clones. Unless I got clones. It's a slow process, you know. Y'all want to look at the area again? Look at the area. What a beautiful morning. I still thank the Lord for waking me up in the morning. That's an old song from back in the day. I don't know if it was the 60s or the 70s or what. I saw it on well that look. I don't know if y'all seen that fella. I don't know if y'all see that fella right there. Yeah, let's go over here. It's one of the woodpeckers or whatever, or either a woodpecker or y'all see him? Oh well, that bird just flew by. You know, it ain't no pigeon. You know, well, I might as well go eat me some breakfast. Well, let me talk right instead of talking like Elmer Fudd. And then my friend Erica saying, talk like a baby. Look at that fella. Look at him, y'all see? Hello, fella. Oh, well. So, hello, fella, you eating, huh? Alright. I ain't gonna scare you away. You gotta eat something just like us. Well, alright. I might as well stop this recording, okay? So, thank y'all for watching this, alright? Bye-bye.